What's up, everyone? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be checking out a smart, versatile, compact, cost-effective, very high-quality textile printer for all sorts of graphics on clothes and other things. Let's get to it! Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a little favor if you can. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. Why should you do all those things? Well, you're going to find out about super cool products like what we're going to show you in today's video, which is sponsored by Sublistar. We have something really neat to show you out there for your small to even mid-sized business owners. This is something that is going to help you reach customers with a line of products that you're going to be able to afford because of the tech, the size, and the construction. What am I talking about? The DTF-A3 all-in-one textile printer from Sublistar. DTF-A3 Ultra A all-in-one DTF printer integrates DTF printing and TPU powder processing, creating a new digital DTF film printing process. Use the latest Epson 1600 A1 printhead and the latest S9 shaker technology. Provide a one-stop solution for garment printing. Epson's unique variable size droplet technology, the VSDT, smooths gradients with free control spray droplet volume. S9 is the latest generation of DTF shaker developed by Sublistar in early 2022. The S9 series DTF powder shaker has lower energy consumption, is more environmentally friendly, and has high efficiency of 3.5 kilowatts. Small footprint and complete functions are its advantages. Available in two print sizes, 12-inch 300 centimeters and 18-inch 450 centimeters. Epson F1080 i3200 printheads with a CMYK, WCMYK, and LCLM and W ink type. 24-month warranty on the ink system. Printheads and ink capping are not covered. International shipping by DHL, FedEx, by air, and by sea. White ink circulation and filtration can effectively prevent sedimentation and ensure the effective output of ink. Printhead heating system. By heating the ink damper in the carriage base, the printer can work normally in a low temperature environment. In the printing process, ensure good fluidity of the ink. Auto inline moisturizing. Automatic spraying of moisturizing liquid can effectively slow down the drying speed of the ink in the nozzle and prevent clogging. Integrated TPU powder treatment. Automatic evenly spread powder, fast solidification, smoke-free treatment, and ensure the exquisite output of the finished product. The A3 Plus Ultra A all-in-one DTF printer brings your ideas into reality because of its small footprint and complete functions. It's very suitable for home, small businesses, and personalized clothing customization. So it all looks pretty cool, right? Well, I actually had some demo products made. It is so easy to get various decals from pop culture. We have different movies, Lilo and Stitch, Mickey Mouse. Little SpongeBob there for you. I know he looks cooler than I. Old classics like Garfield. And lots of other pop culture icons. Spider-Man. Mario Brothers. And what do you do with all these different decals? Well, with a machine like the DTF-A3 all-in-one printer, you can actually get customized shirts made with excellent built-in quality. You saw the Spider-Man decal, I held it up, and here it is. Seen in real life. Hey Toad, you're looking good. As I mentioned, very high quality, versatile use and application, small footprint, and an excellent price. If you want to find out more, please click on that link in the description below and you can find out for yourself if your home business, your small business, or even your medium-sized business would benefit from a textile printer like the one we're showing off in this video from Sublistar. Well, that wraps it up for this episode of Good Tech Cheap. We'd like to thank Sublistar for sponsoring the video and sending us the examples of what can be done with this versatile, compact, all-in-one machine at a great price. Once again, find out more, link in the description below. Also, if you could, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Kevin, from Los Angeles, California. Stay safe and be kind. So we'll see you next time. Bye.